how you use your yo-yo. Here, I know what's wrong. Here, let me show you. So, first you use your yo-yo with your middle finger. Then you roll, and then you have to roll up your yo-yo. Da, da, da.
I want to do it.
Okay. Okay. Here.
I don't know what to do with my middle finger. This?
Here, I said I'll show you. Watch.
Wow. Facts.
Did you know that Filipino American sold the first yo-yo almost 100 years ago?
You mean Pedro Flores?
Yeah!
Thank you for watching. See you next time. I'm not good with my yo-yo. I forgot. I'm dead.
Did you break your head?
Yes.
Oh, sorry. Here, let me give you a kissy.
Hey, I'm having trouble with my yo-yo. Can you show me how to use it?
Yeah. Here, I know how to definitely use yo-yos.
So you here.
You gotta like,
Is it your
oh,
milk?
I'm sorry.
Fun fact, though.
Did you know that the first Filipino American sold the first yo-yo almost 100 years ago?
You think Pedro Flores? What's the fun fact, bro?
Did you know a
Pedro Flores? Thank you for watching. See you next time.
Hey, cool yo-yo.
I'm having a problem with my yo-yo.
Oh, hey, you want me to show you how to use your yo-yo?
Sure. I don't know what to say.
Okay. Yeah, let me show. Here, I want to see how you do it first to see if you have problems. Okay. You need to definitely practice.